Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today you are watching Kabasura kudineer review. Kabasura kudineer churnam is a traditional formulation used by Siddha practitioners for effectively managing common respiratory ailments such as flu and cold. This product comes in a plastic box containing 50 grams of product and pricing 95. Kabha denotes Kapha dosha. Asura denotes the herb which aid in elevating the ailments associated with Kapha disorder. Kudineer denotes concoction. This churnam is effective in balancing the Kapha dosa, which is known to infect the respiratory system. The formulation is particularly significant in lessening the symptoms associated with respiratory ailments such as fever, cough, and cold, breathing difficulty, and treating flu. Here I am showing how to prepare this concoction. You will not get any side effects to having this concoction, but it tastes very bitter. If you want, you can add honey or jaggery powder. This Kabasura kudineer is very effective for boosting the lungs, improving respiratory mechanism, and treating infectious conditions like cough, cold, fever, and other respiratory infections. That's all for today, guys. After using this product, please do comment me in the comment section box below. If you are watching first time my video, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. You can buy this product in Amazon or any herbal healthcare center.